They say that the IPOB Ireland don't rock the street go demand for Mazi NnamdiKanu release as they celebrate St. Patrick event today for inside Irish barrack. No be smart, these people enter there with mmawu. Una no mmawu na. Na so they enter as we dey say before. But according to some comments where they don't make for this video, they say that they are here and demanding for Mazi NnamdiKanu release, that the Irish has been a friend of Biafra and this is the why they stood with them today. So I'm going to leave you to watch the video and before we come back, can continue. However, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Please share this video as you watch it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, good afternoon from the Republic of Ireland, and we are reaching you live from the County Limerick, one of the biggest cities in Ireland. This is where we are connecting you from today, and we are on ground, as the case may be. My name remains Reléase of Mazi. Please, as you have come in, join us and share this. And it's not easy to get a position in an event like this. IPOB is unstoppable. IPOB is relentless. IPOB is not retreating. We are not surrendering until Biafra is restored. I am going to use 2 or 3 minutes to explain who is our leader, the leader of this organization, and we are live and direct. This is Reléase of Mazi you from the Republic of Ireland today. On this particular location, we are coming from Limerick in Ireland. Please, as you're coming in, share this and also let Biafrans know that IPOB is all and well. IPOB led by Mazi NnamdiKanu are committed to restore Biafra. We are not going to retreat. We are not going to surrender. Biafra is our last hope, and we are going to do everything humanly possible to make sure that this Biafra is restored in truth and honesty. We have already secured our position among other nations in the world here today. As we normally do it, we have done this for years now. This is, I think, the 7th time of IPOB Ireland participating among other nations. Of course, we are reaching you from this location today. Please, as you're coming in, share this. Let our people know that we are live here and we are reaching you from the County Limerick. Of course, we came a little bit late, but nonetheless, we are trying to locate our position where we are meant to be. Of course, we have managed to do that. Please, as you are coming in, share this. It's very, very important. Let our Biafra radio, let our media warriors hook up. This is very, very important. Let the world know that IPOB have come to restore Biafra. IPOB led by Mazi NnamdiKanu have come to restore Biafra. Despite the illegal detention of this, the leader of this organization you are seeing here, we are not going to relent. We are not going to retreat. We are not going to surrender. We are unstoppable. Nothing is going to get in our way. Anything in our way, we will crush, we will dismantle, and we will move on. This is Reléase of Mazi you from here. It's going to be massive here. It's going to be big. It's going to be massive. It's huge here. It's massive. This is IPOB Ireland, led by Mazi NnamdiKanu. Of course, the head of the directorate, Mazi Chike, is also doing well. Abanim is also doing well. Abanim is the European rep of IPOB here in Europe. It's gonna be massive here. As you're coming in, please share this. Let the world know that IPOB here is on the ground and we are going to move on the ground side. It's huge. I'm gonna bring the camera up so you can see what is happening here. The way we are doing it here is big, it's massive. the weather is not looking bad, and we pray to Almighty Chukwokikabiama to allow this weather to continue to look good and do us favor until finish. Of course, Chukwokikabiama never disappointed us in a day like this. Of course, we are reaching you live from here. It's big. Of course, we are reaching you from the Republic of Ireland, Limerick to be precise. This year we are coming live from Limerick. It's one of the biggest cities in Ireland. Of course, you can see we are in the military barrack. Can you believe that? This is one of the military barracks here in Ireland. We are here because these are the people who support the citizens. They are not here to murder their citizens. Of course, these are people who knows what human rights are. These are people who understand the aspiration of the people, and they open their barrack, and we are here in the military barrack. This is where the kick-off start point will be, and you can see the Momo crowd here. We haven't started marching yet, but you can see the huge Momo crowd here. This is the beginning of the place, and we're gonna march among other nations, and we're gonna also join the rest. And let's go around a little bit and see what is happening here, and see other nations that are participating. And of course, we have the military here. Look at them, and we're gonna go the other side. You see the military. To prove to you that IPOB, we are unstoppable. We have access to it. Who told you that Biafra is not coming? And we are showing you the military here. These are the Irish military, and of course we are proud to be Irish. Why not? So, and we are here showing our military is here. Our military is who goes around the world to keep the world peace. That is the way it looks here at the starting point of this all-important event today of Irish St. Patrick, and we are live here. This is IPOB, of course, you know we are here. This is Biafra itself here, led by Mazi NnamdiKanu, not Ekpelimo. Of course, the holding Mazi NnamdiKanu is not going to change anything. IPOB is determined to restore Biafra. Anybody telling you that they have dismantled and destroyed IPOB, you can now see it now. We are here recognized, and we are here, given an access to march among all this Momo crowd here. Which other place can you sell Biafra aspiration other than this place? This is who we are. We are IPOB. We are relentless. Anywhere we go, we electrify the place. This is who we are. Of course, our masquerade is here. You can see it there. And we're gonna march. We have a lot of turnout today. There are people who have not arrived yet. We have a lot of turnout. And IPOB is moving forward. It's moving forward. and tell Biafrans back home they should not relent. That IPOB is here to restore Biafra. IPOB led by Mazi NnamdiKanu is fighting hard. He's on ground and leading this Biafra restoration from the front. And we are his branches everywhere, spreading our tentacles to make sure that this information of Biafra restoration go everywhere in this world. Nothing is going to stop Biafra from coming, I can tell you. Nothing is going to stop Biafra from coming. And we are here to let the world know that IPOB is a peaceful organization designed to restore Biafra. And before I continue, I'm going to use 1 minute to explain to our audience, those who are watching us, our friends and our well-wishers, that IPOB is indigenous people of Biafra. Our leader is Mazi NnamdiKanu, who is currently being detained illegally. He was kidnapped in Kenya and the extraordinary rendition him to Nigeria. And after the competent court have discharged and acquitted this man, the leader of this organization here that you are seeing, the indigenous people of Biafra, the competent court of Nigeria discharged and acquitted him and free him from all charges. But Nigerian government continue to illegally detain the leader of this organization, therefore causing a lot of chaos. Because of illegal detention of Mazi NnamdiKanu, a lot of Biafran youth have gone down. A lot of Biafran youth have been murdered. A lot of Biafran youth have been arrested. A lot of Biafran youth have been incarcerated. Most of the IPOB are being hunted down. Some of them are running away from the zoo because of their, being hunted down. And we are here to tell the world, look at IPOB here. Anybody telling you that IPOB is not a peaceful organization that will restore Biafra, that individual is nothing but a criminal. Anybody telling you that we have Liberation Army, that person is a criminal. They are trying to attract the enemy to come and murder our innocent children. They are trying to invite the Nigerian military to come and look for the Biafran youth and arrest and murder them because they're being called Biafran Liberation Army. We do not have any Biafran Liberation Army. IPOB is a peaceful organization designed to restore Biafra in truth and honesty in non-violent movement. And we are here showcasing it, letting the world know the aspiration of IPOB and what Mazi NnamdiKanu stands for. And we are going to start moving now. The kick-off time is now. Please share this. Share this. Share this as you're coming in. Let all media platform carries it. Let all our media platform carries it. Let all our media warrior carries it. Share it in our platform. IPOB Ireland, IPOB Europe, IPOB led by Mazi NnamdiKanu. And we are bringing it live to you the way it is. We are unstoppable. We are committed. As you're coming in, share this. This is IPOB Ireland on St. Patrick event. Today we are reaching you from the county Limerick, one of the biggest cities here in Ireland, and we are live here. The location we are at the moment is in a place that is called Military Barrack, not actually any other place, Military Barrack. And you can see the event has kick-started and the people have started marching, and of course we are here on a grand start. My name remains Mazi Zayoba, reaching you live from the county Limerick here in Ireland. And of course we mean business. Biafra must be restored under IPOB led by Mazi NnamdiKanu. Of course the DOS, the head of directorate, is Mazi Chikedozem. Don't misquote that. He is aware of this. He sanctioned this. He makes sure that IPOB march here today because he's the head of directorate. He sees the face of Biafrans at IPOB worldwide, not only in one place, worldwide, both home and abroad. In the absence of Mazi NnamdiKanu, the head of the electorate, Mazi Chikedoziem, sits in charge, if you like. Of course, the enemies are fighting very hard to destroy IPOB. For our audience who will be listening and who will be watching, the enemies are working hard to antagonize, to blackmail IPOB as a violent organization, which is the reason why we are here showing it to the world. As you can see, that IPOB is not a violent organization. It's a peaceful mass movement that have been engaging the world for a very long time now for Biafra restoration. This is who we are. This is what we do. This is how we do it, and we are doing it without any regrets. We owe nobody any apology. And of course, we must appreciate Irish people and her government for always supportive in whatever we are doing. They supported us in 1967. They supported us in 1970. Irish people are still supporting us till today. Both them and her government, they are still supporting us, and we are actually proud of them, and we are very grateful to be a member of Irish community here in Ireland. As you are coming in, share this. This is very, very important. Of course, I know some people are in the church today and may not have enough time. No, it's good. Don't worry. Don't worry. Your Facebook is idea. Even idea. If I hate him now, everybody. Yeah. Don't worry, you're there. Oh, well, didn't I watch it? Let's miss another. I thought you feel on another place, but then when I watch it. Of course, I know our people today are in the church, and thank you very much. Our people today are in the church. They may not even take serious what we are doing. Today is Sunday. When we go to one vacation, man. Some of you are in Agunu, you know, they are there. Today is Sunday. Let's on what the church is on here. Today is Sunday. All in Africa now, all in a zoo. Who never postponed way na Sunday. I got happy church in my way here. I got happy for Jesus in my way here. Learning what became you look at it here. I know Agunu. Oh, I know Agunu. I know Kusin. You know. So Kuno, what the hell we have in a book here? This is IPOB Ireland. We are reaching you from the Republic of Ireland. Today, we are coming from the county Limerick. And of course, as I said, I must be really very, very proud of Irish and for their support, for being with us all this year. They are a friend indeed and also a friend in need. This is what Irish are for us. And we have a lot of our people here today. And we're grateful. Look at the number of people. We are from front out. Of course, this is IPOB Ireland. Anywhere we go, we electrify the whole entire place. You're gonna see how we are going to display it now. This is our masquerade here, and we are reaching you live from here. On Sunday, the 17th of March 2024. So it's a live video. It's not doctored video, in case people may think it's an old video, because we have had a lot of events like this. But this is actually, a live event. Today's date is 17th of March 2023, and the time is if you look at your time there now, is 9 minutes on top of the hour. So to tell you, it's a live event from here, and we are in the military barracks. Of course, you can see them here guiding. Military in their training. Nigerian soldiers are putting out military in their training. The soldiers in their training. Hand on a barrack, they don't go out. They are in their barrack, they don't go out. They don't have any reason to come out. They are here to protect the people. On here, military, Nigerian military, no going on set a roadblock everywhere. Kandiara, they disturb to the community. They disturb the commuters. They disturb. Stop to military here. Look where they are advanced. Look where here. They keep helping how the Tapu Lebano, Hano, their barrack, Hana, their base. Look where their big trucks over there. This is the military. To tell Nigerian government and Nigerian military that is busy hunting their own citizens and killing them, and not by hand. They will build their own became their own military on their base here. Here, how life is being run here. Today is Sunday. I couldn't get a today, but you go near here today. National event, the nation first, Irish first. That is how it's supposed to be. Biafra first. I know when they are here signing a freedom fighting. Hana there about war. And in the here, you can never see them even in the church. They don't go to church, but they will be here defending Indina and make a shrine high name.
Welcome back, my people. As you have watched that video, please share, and leave your own opinion for inside comment section.